How to make a gym website in Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a gym website in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to wix.com. And if you haven't signed up for Wix yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Wix, it is a website building platform that allows users to create professional website with ease without requiring coding or designing skills, in which it offers a complete set of tools to build an online presence from getting found on search engines to building a business. And also, it provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of tools to design, customize, and manage websites for individuals, businesses, online stores, and many more. And now, to access this platform, you can check the pricing option that they offer by simply clicking this pricing option. Or you could also get started by clicking this button that says Get Started. However, I do already have an account in Wix, so I'm just going to log in using my Google account. So after logging in, you will be directed in here, and to create a new site, kindly click this button right here. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will ask you what kind of website are you creating. So I'm just going to enter here gym, and you can choose below the result, which is gym class site, but I'm going to choose this online gym course. Then proceed by clicking the next button, and after that, you will be directed on this dashboard. But in this window, you can fill out all of the required information starting from business details, which is you are required to enter your business name and also your business address, followed by working hours, in which you can set your default working hours in here, and also to start adding your services that you offer to your website by simply checking the boxes of the services that your business provides. Then just proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed to the next step. And the next step is by adding the staff or the personnel that are working in your business. Then followed by the useful tools right here, in which you can check the boxes if you're accepting in-person payments, accept online payments, and if you're now done filling out all of the required information, just click the Continue to Dashboard button right here. In which upon doing so, you will be directed in here. So this is what the dashboard looks like of Wix. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can navigate, starting from Setup, Home, Site and App, Booking and Services, and many more. So let's say we're going to navigate this booking services by simply clicking on it. It will show you on the right side panel all of the services that you provide in which can customers book to your website. And aside from that, to set up the payments method, kindly click on the left side panel the billing and payment section, in which upon clicking on it, from here just proceed by clicking manage payment methods. Then after that, you will be directed in here, in which you can link or connect your PayPal account by simply clicking this connect button, or alternatively, you can choose manual payments. And to see more payment option from here, you can even connect DragonPay, HitPay, and many more. Now moving on to the home page, kindly click on it, and to start creating a gym website, kindly proceed by clicking this design site on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, from here you can choose either to let Wix create a site for you or to choose or pick a template. And as you can see, I've just choose pick a template, and from here on the search bar you can simply type or enter gym, and I'm going to choose online gym course. And below you will see here the result of the templates about online gym courses. And so to choose one, kindly click on it and proceed by clicking this edit button. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start customizing this template, you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the editing tools, including to add elements, add section, pages and menu, and many more. So now, to start designing this gym website, you can start by clicking on the pages on the top panel, in which it will show you the list of the pages that this template contain. And as you can see, we're currently on the home page, and to start customizing it, you can simply click this quick edit right here, and it will show you on the right side panel the editing tools that you can start customizing is starting from changing the strip background, the paragraph, or also the name of this website. So let's say I'm going to change this into body U. And as you can see, the paragraph on the header has now been changed. And aside from that, you can even change the text on the button and many more. And aside from the header section of this homepage, by simply clicking the body of the homepage, it will show you under the quick edit some of the content or context that you can even customize or change depending on the content of your preferences. However, since we're making a gym website, I'm just going to stick with this context. But if you want to change this, you can simply click on it, and after selecting the context, just enter the words or context that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter here, build your body with us. Now aside from the homepage, if you scroll down below here and select the other section, you could also customize under the quick edit the layout and not just the content of it. And aside from that, if you also want to go to other pages, you can do so by simply clicking the page and also select your preference page. And as you can see, we're currently under the live classes, and under the quick edit on the right side panel, you can simply choose or change the section background and the layout of it. So this is basically how it looks like, which contain the schedule for this month. But if you also want to add a new page on this gym website, you can do so by simply clicking this pages and menu and proceed by clicking add page button below. Or alternatively, if you want to change the structure or the flow or arrangement of the pages, you can do so by simply dragging up and down of a specific page. So let's say I'm going to make this contact into or below the home page. And that is just only under the site menu, in which you can even add a sign up and login option or pages, the booking pages, members area, and program pages. So there's a lot of things that you can add in creating your gym website. But since we use these templates, we can just simply customize all of the pages and just change the content of it and even the design layout depending on our preferences. But aside from customizing the content of this template, you can even add your own elements by clicking this Add Elements button or option on the left side panel. You can even add a gallery, text, image, community, or member list, login bar, and many more. So those are the things that you can even add as an elements in your gym website. But aside from adding elements, you could also navigate the site design to customize your color theme, text theme, page background, and your page transition. While under this media section or option on the left side panel, from here it will show you a variety of media files such as video or images that you can add to your gym website. And if you're now done customizing or creating your gym website, to save the changes, you can click the Save button on the top right corner or this Publish button. So that is just basically how you can make a gym website in Wix. Thank you.